Aloha! Oo nga, no? We got a new project. Wipers! So my goal is to like clean the car. Well, I'll try to. I'll try to clean the windshield using this and this, whatever this is that I bought from Amazon. Let's see how effective they are. Ooh, there's one more thing. I've got this as well. Clay. So we'll try to do those. In order to change that one, the wiper blades, I'm gonna have to first press the on button. Let it do all those things. There. And then turn it off. And then hold this for a while until you see some magic. One pass. And there you go. You see that? So now you can change it. Because if you pull those things while they're rested, like that Honda car right there, it's gonna hit the hood, the tip of the hood, which is not good. Okay, so yeah, right now we can change it. Let's start with the shorter. No, this is the longer one. And apparently you just have to like pull this, and then supposed to just snap forward. This is the first time that I'm going to be changing a wiper blade, so bear with me. Yeah. So ideally, just you just have to return it the way that you um, removed it. So there, it snaps into place. Yep. Huh. Happy with that? Turn it. The other one. Yep. Easy enough. Turn it. And now to return this, all you have to do is the same thing. Turn the on button once. And wait for the lights to go out. Then turn it back off. And then pull this one up. Then boom! It becomes Cocoa Crunch. Now let's see how good it performs. Oops, turned it off already. Let's go check.